And then select all, and this will get copied and pasted. So select all, clear, paste. So if we anchor this in, let me take the rolling scan and fade it away here. You can see the UV layout underneath. I'll put it back where it belongs here. And I will save this as Arizona CAN 109 side. And then I'll export it to Targa. So back to Blender. So we will load the new texture. And it should look just about right. Ugh, I don't want to do that. Well, anyway, that's what it looks like. I think that's reasonably realistic. Reasonably. Now, I have said that I didn't model the top. I just used a texture. The way you would model this closed is you would just take another scan of a can that's been closed. I don't actually have a closed Arizona TCAN, but what I know that I can do is I can take a scan of a different can that's closed. I suppose it's worth taking a quick look at that. So here we are in GIMP once again, and these are the ends of the Arizona drink can, or Arizona TCAN. And notice it was opened long before I did this. If we wanted to model a closed can, the easy way to do this would be select all for this particular layer. Notice I'm on the top layer. Clear. And there we have the UV layout. If I open another scan of a different can that's not been opened, I don't actually have an Arizona can that wasn't open, but I had a beer can, a Baccalaureate beer can, and I can use this one. And it's not prototypically accurate, but it's close. Most people wouldn't notice, of course. So if I copy this, paste it in, I'll have to rescale it, of course. First of all, it has to be uniform. If I jump it up to 975, this image actually is not perfectly aligned anyway. It has a bit too much of the rim in it. We'll see how this one looks. So I'll put the opacity back where it should be. And I will save as 109. Actually, no. 1.1 ends. So I'll export as an uncompressed Targa once again. Targa, export. no hourly compression, quit, and on to Blender. So if we go to the UV image editor, we open our new texture file. It makes it look closed. We go to the 3D view, and it looks closed. That's very, very simple. Now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create a test file for Auron Trains with this. I don't actually have Unity installed at the moment. Unity would actually be perhaps better as an experiment if you're familiar with Unity and you have it. At the moment, I just don't have it installed, so I'm going to create a Trains scenery object out of this, and that will be in the next video. So thanks for watching. At least we have a fairly complete CAN project here. But I will show the specifics of exporting to Auron Trains in the next video.